Meaning of embarrassment.
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 Embarrassment. Embarrassment is a feeling of discomfort or shame caused by one's own actions, appearance, or situation. It can result from a variety of factors such as social awkwardness, mistakes or failures, being caught in a compromising situation, or being the subject of unwanted attention. The physical symptoms of embarrassment include blushing, sweating, and avoidance behavior. Embarrassment can have negative consequences such as damaging relationships, causing a loss of confidence, and leading to self-criticism. However, it can also be an opportunity for growth and learning from mistakes.